Okay, so here is a few examples of today's IXL, which is I.6 Powers of 10. So what we're going to do for this first one is we're just going to look at how many zeros are there in that big number, and that's going to be my exponent. So I see four zeros. Thought it was five, but it's four. All right, so however many zeros there are, you count them, put that in the exponent, and that's your answer. This one has 5 zeros. This one has 2 zeros. I see 3 zeros. All right, let's jump to another level. All right, so we're still doing zeros. I see 7 zeros on that one. I see 6 zeros. All right, so now you're going to write the number with this many zeros, okay? So I'm going to write a 1 with 2 zeros because it's the 2 exponent, okay? We're counting zeros again, so 3, 6, 9 zeros there. We just did that, didn't we? Oh no, 6, 7, 8. All right, so no zeros means it's 10 to the 0 power because there are no zeros after that 1. And then, so this is pretty much the same. So you're just counting zeros mostly, okay? So let me know if you need help or if you have any questions, and I will see you next time.